Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool 2188664 meat pan for refrigerator part WP2188664 PartsIPS. The Whirlpool 2188664 meat pan for refrigerator is a replacement part for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is made of durable plastic and is designed to fit in the bottom of the refrigerator. The pan helps to keep meats and other food items from spilling out of the refrigerator when it is opened. It also helps to keep food items from shifting around in the refrigerator, which can cause them to spoil or become contaminated. The pan also helps to contain any liquid that may spill out of the refrigerator, helping to keep your kitchen clean and organized. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or worn out meat pan in a refrigerator. It can help to fix issues such as a broken or cracked meat pan, a missing or damaged handle, or an uneven surface on the pan. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the shelves and drawers from the refrigerator interior. 3. Remove the screws that secure the meat pan to the refrigerator interior with a Phillips screwdriver. 4. Lift out the old meat pan and discard it. 5. Place the new Whirlpool 2188664 meat pan into position in the refrigerator interior, making sure that it is properly aligned with all of its mounting holes. 6. Secure the new meat pan to the refrigerator interior with its screws, using a Phillips screwdriver to tighten them into place. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.